Let's talk about Washington State Excise Tax. Why am I smiling? I don't know. No one likes talking about taxes, but it's an important part of selling your home, knowing what you're going to have to pay and what you're going to be able to walk away with. So let's dig in on Washington State excise taxes and the county taxes too. This is Emily Cressy, your digitally enabled Puget Sound community advisor. Hi, this is Emily Cressy. I am a 2 decades long real estate investor and also real estate broker here in the Shoreline, Washington area in North Seattle. I live right on the border between King County and Snohomish County, and I love this area. But what I do not love is paying taxes, and Washington State charges us excise taxes when we sell our home. So let's take a look at how that is going to affect your bottom line when you're ready to sell. So in 2019, Washington State updated the excise tax law, which it hadn't done for 20 or 30 years before that, and the new excise tax rates started to take effect in 2020. So what do they look like? Well, here is the bottom line. It's a progressive tax or a marginal tax. So for the first little bit of your sale, you get a lower tax rate, and then as your value of your home goes up, that money is taxed at a higher and higher rate. In addition to the Washington State rates, which I will go into a minute, the counties also add on an additional 0.5%. So Snohomish County, King County, and Pierce County all charge 0.5% in addition to the state excise taxes. So let's talk about what this looks like. It's not bad if you have a lower priced home or condo. So for the first $500,000 chunk, your tax rate for Washington is 1.1%. Add on that 0.5% from the county, and your total rate is 1.6%. The next level is from 500,000 to 1.5 million, and the county estimates, or the state estimates, 90% of the transactions take place within this band. So this is most likely going to be the one that affects you. The state excise tax rate in Washington is 1.2% here, 1.28. And add on that 0.5%, the combined rate is 1.78%. So if you had a $1 million property, what would 1% of that be? $10,000, I believe. So 1.78 would be 17,800. I'm going to check that after this to make sure, but I think I got it right. So you'd be paying that much out of your closing costs for the sale of your $1 million property. The next level is if your property is worth more than 1.5 million. Between 1.5 and 3 million, the combined tax rate is 3.25%. Ouch! And above 3 million, it's 3.5%. So for most of us, most sales are going to be at a combined rate of 1.78% for that state and county tax. And if you have a very expensive property, you're going to pay for it. Washington State doesn't give us income taxes, but they do get their money one way or another. And this happens to be one of the ways. So if you need help kind of evaluating what you're going to be walking away with from the sale, here's what we can do. I'll give you a link down below, or you can just send me an email, call, text, however, carrier pigeon, however you like to get in touch. But we'll take a look at the current value of your home or investment property, but most cases your home, and how much equity you have, what the liens are, that type of a thing. We'll do some estimated closing costs, and we'll include this excise tax in that estimate so you can get a good feel if you are going to sell or refinance your home. How much money would you be able to put in your pocket to go and buy your next home or put into your retirement fund or whatever your plans for your next steps might be. I'm here to help educate you, get you the answers to your questions, provide you the information that you need, and empower you to make excellent real estate decisions. I'm Emily Cressy, your Seattle area real estate broker, and I am here to serve.